What up, people? Today is a good day at Sideways. Supras everywhere, Mark 4s, Mark 3s, and guess what? Mark 2. This is a 1985 Toyota Celica Supra, also known as a Mark 2 Supra. Kind of cool, the old school stuff they came with. Super ugly. It's gonna need a lot of work, but this is the car we're planning on restoring this year to take the Supras in Vegas for 2019. It needs a lot of work. Dash is in horrible condition. Everything's pretty much cracked. Door panels are still not that horrible, but still pretty bad. Gonna need a good cleaning, but it's pretty much all there. So we're gonna pull all the bones and the heart out of this thing. Surprisingly, it ran and drove. Good old stock, old M series in here. Super abused with some super high mileage. But we're gonna go ahead and keep this online of the whole entire restoration of this thing. Already went ahead and ordered unbroken dash, unbroken door panels, some stuff from Australia, some stuff from Canada. So should be pretty cool when it's done. But isn't that a good view? Look at that. Mark 3s, Mark 4s, and all the people that love these, once again, Mark 2 Celica Supra. So here's our second update. Engine's out, bay's prepped. Went ahead and took care of all the rust down here and cleaned everything up and got it all primed up. About to paint the engine bay right now, the same color we're painting the car. Got a new rack and pinion coming right now. I have a rebuild, new master cylinder coming because that thing's old and leaking. Little makeshift paint booth we got here. So interior's completely basically stripped down. Dash is still in with all the other broken parts, but we're gonna go ahead and get to that after we paint the car. Clean out the floor a bit. Got the trunk completely stripped out from all the other mess of stuff that was in here. Still got to do a little bit of rust repair in here too, but luckily it's just surface rust. And engine should be going in the next day or two. Just got the side moldings that we're missing in as well. So shoot a video of us painting it in a few minutes. So this is the color we're mixing for the Mark II. It's a custom color. It's like a black cherry pearl with like a red microflake. So just you can kind of get an idea of how pretty it's going to be. So I just finished painting the bay, the black cherry pearl with the red flake. You can't really see because of the spray booth. It's kind of dark in here, but it keeps out all the contaminants and stuff pretty decently. So decent coverage. Color came out nice. Just test fitting, test doing some different panels to see how it's going to lay down. Using 5-star clear. It's one of my favorite clear coats we use for normally painting the cars, and it'll be finished product in a few minutes, so we'll shoot another quick little clip and that'll be the end of this video.